NCERT book, R.T. Sharma, Class 10, Chapter number 3, Linear Equation in two variable. In that, topic is equation reducible to the pair of linear equation in two variable. Let us understand this topic by one example. This is your example. Solve 2 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 13, 5 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to minus 2. Now let us solve with an method equation reducible to the pair of linear equation in two variable. Now what we have to take these two as common, such 2 1 upon x plus 3 1 upon y equal to 13. Okay, so give it equation 1. Same as here also 1 upon x and 1 upon y separately we have to write. So same way equal to minus 2. So 2. Now substituting 1 upon x. Now substituting 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. Now in both equation we have to substitute 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So first equation is 2a plus 3b equal to 13. Okay, and 5a minus 4b equal to minus 2. Got the both equation? So give this equation 3 and equation 4. Now same as substitution method, elimination method, just make a variable, one variable same and cancel it. So multiply, I am making variable same b. Okay, multiply 3 into 4 which is 12 and 4 into 3 which is 12. Okay, so 12 you can cancel it. Let us do it. Now this is your equation. We have to multiply whole equation by 4. So 4 2s are 8a plus 4 3s are 12b equal to 13 4s is 52. Okay, give and another one is 5. What we have multiplied 3 into 5a minus 4b equal to minus 2. So 3 5s are 15a minus 3 4s are 12b equal to minus 6. Now 5 and 6. Okay, eliminating 5 and 6. So 8a plus 12b equal to 52. 15a minus 12b equal to minus 6. Cancel, adding 5 and 6. Okay, equation 5 and 6. So cancel, 8 plus 15 is 23a, 52 minus 6 is 46. So a equal to 46 upon 23. So 23 ones are 23 twos are. Therefore a equal to 2. So you got the value of a. Now we have to find the value of b. So replace a equal to 2 in equation 3. Substituting a equal to 2 in equation 3. So equation 3 is 2a plus 3b equal to 13. So 2 is 2 plus 3b equal to 13. 2 2s are 4 plus 3b equal to 13. Therefore 3b equal to 13 minus 4. Therefore 3b equal to 9. Therefore b equal to 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore b equal to 3 is the answer. Now we got the value of a and b. So we can find the value of 1 upon x. So 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So 1 upon x equal to 2 and 1 upon y equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 1 upon 3. So x got the value of x and y. Okay, in reducible method what we have to do, first we have to take the variable 1 upon x as common in all of both the equation. Then we have to suppose 1 upon x and 1 upon y as a and b, then same as elimination method. Now we will do exercise 3.6. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. Now this one we have to do with the reducing method. Okay, first we will take 1 upon x and 1 upon y common and suppose a and b. Let us do it. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y equal to 2. Okay, so it is 1. Then 1 upon 3 into 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon y, which is equal to 13 upon 6. Give us equation 2. Now what we will do, suppose. So now substituting 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So what will 1 upon 2 into a plus 1 upon 3 b equal to 2. Let us solve this equation. Okay, this 1 upon 2 a plus 1 upon 3 b equal to 2. Take the LCM. LCM is 6, so 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Now 3a plus upon 6 plus 2b upon 6 equal to 2. So 3a plus 2b equal to 2 into 6. So 3a plus 2b equal to 6 to the 12. Therefore it is third equation. Now second one, as 1 upon 3a plus 1 upon 2b equal to 13 upon 6. Here also the LCM, 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, 6. So 2a plus 3b upon 6 equal to 13 upon 6. 6 cancel. Therefore 2a plus 3b equal to 13, which is fourth equation. Now what we will do, eliminate one variable. So any of you can take, which is I am taking b. Okay, so 2 into 3 and 3 into 2, which is 6. So 6 can cancel. So subtracting equation 4 from 3. So 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 6b equal to 13 2s are 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 26. And this one 3 3s are 9a plus 6b equal to 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3, minus minus minus. Changing value, symbol. So 6b minus 6b cancel. 4 minus 9 is minus 5a equal to 26 minus 36, so minus 10. So a equal to minus 10 upon minus 5. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. Therefore a equal to 2. Now we got the value of 2. Then we have to substitute in equation 2. Substituting a equal to 2 in equation 2. So 3a plus 2b equal to 12. So 3 into 2 plus 2b equal to 12. 6 plus 2b equal to 12. So 2b equal to 12 minus 6. Therefore 2b equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. Therefore b equal to 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Therefore b equal to 3. Got the value of 3. Now 1 upon x equal to a and 1 upon y equal to b. So 1 upon x equal to 2 and 1 upon y equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 1 upon 3 is your answer. Thus the solution set is xy equal to 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 3. Question number 2. 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y equal to minus 1. Now here what we have to do? Just common 2. Okay, from this one root x plus 3 1 upon root y equal to 2. In same way this also, give this equation 1 4 1 upon root x minus 9 1 upon root y equal to minus 1. Now substitute 1 upon root x equal to a and 1 upon root y equal to b in equation 1 and 2. So the equation become 2a plus 3b equal to 2, which is third, and 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1, which is fourth equation. Now we can eliminate this, multiply 2, okay, and 1 here. Variable a I am doing. So now subtracting equation 4 from 3. So 4a plus 3 2s are 6b equal to 2 2s are 4. 4a minus 9b equal to minus 1. So minus plus minus. 4a cancel. Okay, plus 6 plus 9, which is equal to 15b equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. So b equal to 5 upon 15. 5 ones are 5 3s are. So b equal to 1 upon 3. Now this 1 upon 3 we are substituting b equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 3. So 2a plus 3b equal to 2. Okay, 2a plus 3 into 1 upon 3 equal to 2. So 3 cancel. Therefore 2a plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore 2a equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore 2a equal to 1. Therefore a equal to 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now a equal to 1 upon 2 and b equal to 1 upon 3. Now 1 upon root x equal to a and 1 upon root y equal to b. So therefore 1 upon root x equal to 1 upon 2 and 1 upon root y equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore root x equal to 2 and root y equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 2 square and y equal to 3 square. Therefore x equal to 2 to the 4 and y equal to 9 is the answer. Thus solution set is x, y equal to 4 and 9. Now third one, 4 upon x plus 3 upon y equal to 14. 3 upon x minus 4 upon y equal to 2x. Now we have to only suppose 1 upon x as a equal to a. Therefore 4a plus 3y equal to 14 and 3a minus 4y equal to 23. Give this equation 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to make the variable, one variable same, so we'll make the variable y. So 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. What we will do, adding equation 1 and 2. 4 4s are 16a plus 3 4s are 12y equal to 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5, 56, and 3 3s are 9a minus 12y equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Cancel. 16 plus 9 is 25a equal to 56 plus 69 is 125. So a equal to 125 upon 25. 25 ones are 25 5s are. Therefore a equal to 5. Now this a equal to 5 we have to substitute in equation 1. So substituting in equation 1, a equal to 5. So 4a plus 3y equal to 14. So 4 into 5 plus 3y equal to 14. 4 5s are 20 plus 3y equal to 14. 3y equal to 14 minus 20. So 3y equal to 14 minus 20. So 3y equal to minus 6. So y equal to minus 6 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore y equal to minus 2. Now y equal to minus 2 we got. Now we have to find x. So now 1 upon x equal to a. So 1 upon x equal to a is 5. Therefore x equal to 1 upon 5. So at last what we have to do, thus the solution of set is, thus the solution of set is xy equal to 1 upon 5 and minus 2. Fourth one, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. Now substituting 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a will make this easy equation. Okay, 1 upon x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. Now we will change here. So what is the equation? 5a plus 1 into b is b equal to 2. Equation it is first. And in this one 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Equation 2. Now one variable we have to cancel. So take this 3. So b into 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 1. Therefore adding equation 1 and 2. Therefore 5 3 5s are 15a plus 3b equal to 6. 6a minus 3b equal to 1. Cancel. 15 plus 6 is, now 15 plus 6 is 21a equal to 6 plus 1 7. So a equal to 7 upon 21. So 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore a equal to 1 upon 3. Got the value of 1, a equal to 1 upon 3. Now for the b, substituting a equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 1. What is our equation 1? 5a plus b equal to 2. So 5 into 1 upon 3 plus b equal to 2. Now 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3 plus b equal to 2. So b equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. Therefore b equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 5 upon 3. Therefore b equal to 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 3. So value of b is 1 upon 3. Now we have to find out the value of x. Now first we had supposed that x minus 1 equal to a and 1 upon y minus 1 equal to b. Now this solve this. 1 upon x minus 1, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon y minus 1 equal to 1 upon 3. So x minus 1 equal to 3. Therefore y minus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so x equal to 3 plus 1. Therefore x equal to 3 plus 1 is 4. And here y equal to 3 plus 1. So y equal to 4. So x equal to 4 and y equal to 4 is the answer. So last statement is, thus solution of set is xy equal to 4,